Campers, this is the ultimate couples coach, and I'm going to tell you why. It's Arena at Traveland RV, aka RV Arena, and I'm going to be taking you on a tour of the new 2025 Brinkley Model Z 285 Air. The unit itself is 33 feet 11 inches tip to tail, and it has a GVWR of 12,495 pounds. Before we get into things, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you're informed the next time we post our videos. Also, all of our social media handles will be linked in the description below. With that being said, let's hop into it. Campers, we are on the driver's side of the RV, and the first thing we need to do is plug in the unit. So you will get a 50 amp power cord that comes with this unit, and it'll have 3 prongs right here. And all you got to do is just plug it in to the shore power side, and you're good to go. Plugging in. Wow, guys, look how pretty this looks. Okay, guys, let's open up both opposing slides and the awnings. Okay, campers, now that we have the unit all set up and ready, it's time to talk about safety and more of the exterior. So this unit has anti-brake locking system with an anti-sway and dynamic brake boost. What this means for the customer is you just have a little bit more control of the rig itself while you're in travel. These are going to be Goodyear 10-ply tires with these custom aluminum 16-inch wheels. Another cool feature is going to be the banded tire pressure monitoring system that will send you in real time messages if anything goes wrong with your tires. At the front of the RV, you have an electric power tongue jack and this custom LP and toolbox. Another thing that Brinkley thought of are these LED lens covers. So this just kind of protects the LED light from the natural weathers that could occur when you're camping. All of Brinkley's pass-through storage compartments are going to be insulated and heated as well. So it will have a designated forced air heat duct to it. On the same side, you'll have this beautiful little water system. So depending on if you're dry camping, hooking up to city water, winterizing your RV, this will all happen right here, as well as your gray and black tank valves. Awesome, guys. At the back of the RV, you have this lovely square rear ladder. You are going to have a factory installed backup camera that has a monitoring system on it as well, so you can log in with your phone and use it as a security camera as well. And another cool thing is going to be this 3,000-pound receiver with a 300-pound tongue weight on it, and it's already got the 4-pin wiring installed for your cargo trailer. On the roof, you have 370 watts of solar with a 60 amp charge controller, and it is going to be lithium and inverter prepped. So on the inside, you get an integrated window shade on this side, and you get this amazing child and pet screen defender. You got your flip up stairs on the inside, and all you got to do is turn this lever all the way to the right and bring this guy down, and you're good to go. On the inside of the camper, you'll notice a little bit more of a residential homey feature. Brinkley took on the challenge of leading away from the industry standard of staples and putty to give it a more residential feel. So if you walk into a Brinkley, you won't see any staple marks or putty on any of the fascias. While we're right here, let's not forget about the soft close cabinetry on this guy. You get your beautiful electric fireplace and a pop-up television. The buttons are underneath. Making our way into the kitchen galleyway, you'll notice I'm standing right in front of the kitchen island. You have a beautiful rolling drying rack, nice big stainless steel sink, and this beautiful faucet. Right behind me, I have this giant Furrion microwave. You get a 3-burner cooktop up here and a nice little RV oven down below. We can't forget about the storage. Storage, 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 storage. Storage, 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 and even more storage in the kitchen island. And you guys, Brinkley is so thoughtful. They gave you this nice little garbage can, and you even have a paper towel holder. And the fridge is going to be a 16 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator with 2 doors on either side. I'm a dog lover, and I think this is just such a smart idea. So this thing is completely magnetic, so you can move it wherever you want. And these guys are even removable and collapsible as well, so you can take it on your hikes. Another cool feature is going to be this nice little desk area. So if you are on the road and working, you can get everything done right here. You guys, I am sitting in the little 4-person dinette here. Some cool features while we're over here. One of the features is down below, and it's just a little accent lighting, but you have a little manual switch that you can turn on and off depending on if you want that on. Another thing down below underneath me is going to be this nice deep drawer for any storage that you might need. And this unit does drop down into a bed, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So underneath the table, you are going to see this little lever here. You're just going to push that down, and then underneath you're going to grab the table leg, and you should be able to move it up and down depending on what you want. But let's first move these chairs out of the way. Probably would have been better if I did it with the ottoman in place first, but that is totally okay. All right, take the cushions out of the dinette table before you move the ottoman there. Beautiful. My favorite part is going to be these couches. They are heated, they are massage. You've got a wireless charging center in the middle here, and they recline as well, just with the flick of a button. And then you can take a little nap or watch your movies or just hang out. 2 other features that I love on this Brinkley is going to be this beautiful pantry with adjustable shelves and this gorgeous little coffee nook that you can, make your morning coffee in the morning. You got beautiful storage above and down below as well. Standing in the hallway, we've got these beautiful little coat hangers as well. So when you first come into the RV, you can hang up your jackets right away. Another feature on this RV is going to be the WineGuard 5G antenna. Awesome, guys, we're in the bathroom. Pretty standard over here, but I absolutely love the way they just laid this out. Just the decor on the inside with the little pops of brass is just so nice. This is the main bedroom. You've got a beautiful Memory Queen mattress that is so comfortable over here. You got this nice carpeted headboard over here. On either side, you will have little cubby holes with 110 and USB outlets with independent lights on either side, which is really cool. And obviously, you've got the wardrobes on either side too. Brinkley did an absolute fantastic job with the underbed storage. You have a nice little lip underneath here so you can put some valuables. You do have drawers on either side, and the coolest part is going to be this metal storage locker down below for even more valuables. In the bedroom, you will also get a television, your own fireplace, lots of wardrobe over here, along with some drawers, and your own laundry hamper. This RV also has not 1, but 2 AC systems on board, and they're both 18,000 BTU ACs. and the furnace is a 35,000 BTU. Okay, campers, that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of the 2025 Brinkley Model Z 285 Air. Remember, this unit is 33 feet, 11 inches, tip to tail, and has a GVWR of 12,495 pounds. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you can see more RVs like this.